Alright, what's good with y'all? What's good? We back with another video. Y'all hear that impact going, so y'all know what time it is, man. We about to get in. We about to change the do the front brake rotors, calipers, all that good stuff, everything. So yeah, we got going on today. We got Rick over here again. Don't panic. Y'all make sure to check him out on YouTube. Like I said, he already zipping the tires off, all the good stuff. Got the car jacked up. We finna put the jack stands on it. And if you've been following the build, y'all already saw the rotors, so y'all know the rotors are going on here. So this the before, and y'all gonna see the after. But like I said, I even got a new dust cap. But to take this stuff off, if you're in chain brake, you know you got two caliper bolts. It's a hex bolt, a hex screw, or so you use an Allen wrench basically. So you got two of them right there. Caliper come out, then you know you got your bolt. Your line go to the back of the caliper too. So you got a bolt right there. You take this line off, your brake line, and brake hose, and then you know you pop your dust cap off. Then you got a quarter pin, and run that off, and boom boom. So got Rick over here about to do all that, man. About to get it in, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and paint that. Y'all see I painted this side. Well, you can't see it good, but I painted that inner fender right here. I might wait another day, man, cause I ain't feeling it. I just ran into a problem. I'll tell y'all about that later. Not nothing major, but I'll tell y'all about that. That's a whole nother video. But so I ain't really studying all that right now. But we're gonna get that done. I'm gonna film everything, show y'all the process. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so y'all see I done hit the caliper with a coat of paint. A little quick coat of paint before we throw it on there. They'll keep it from rushing too. And it look better than what it did. So letting that dry. Then we're gonna throw the clear on there and all that. Y'all see Rick already got everything disassembled that quick. So got the old one off, all that. By the time he get finished with the other side, we'll the caliper right here be ready. It probably dry already. Then I'm gonna throw a coat of clear on it. That'll be it. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all did it before. And we're gonna catch y'all on the next clip. Alright, so we checking in. As y'all can see, y'all probably can hear by my tone, done ran into a problem. Every time, man, like I don't know what's going on. Every time. We met every time my boy Rick come over here, we do something, we run into a problem, man. I'm talking about it never failed. But this time it wasn't the car, it was the people at O'Reilly. I stopped by O'Reilly because I was on the way. I should have went to AutoZone like I know. That's what I get, but they gave me the wrong, what was it, Rick, the inner bearing? Yeah, the inner. They gave me the wrong inner bearing. The seal and the outer bearing were right. The inner bearing, the one that go right there on that side, it gave me the wrong thing, man. So everything closed, so I'm stuck like Chuck. So here it is. I mean, another day we're gonna have to get this done. I'm talking about, man, he had, boy, real quick. Y'all saw on the time lapse. So what we about to do now is go ahead and change the back stud, cause they're gonna be real quick. I got factory length studs, so we just gonna take the drum off. He gonna change them out, and when we come back tomorrow, hopefully they ain't got to order. I get the right thing. They give me what I need. I'm gonna take the whole rotor up there, and then they give me what I need. Then we can get this drawn together and all that. So y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna do the back wheel stud like I said, and got more to come. So stay tuned. All right, so we back rolling. Like I said, we're gonna get something done today. We just put that back together. Well, should I say Rick put it back together, but we hey, look, what we said, you gotta check it first.
Yeah, we just gonna put one in at a time.
Hey, y'all saw the last video, boy. I'm talking about all of them, boy. We're rolling. But yeah, it's good to check your stuff. And like I said, he about to put these in, but y'all done seen these short, so you can just zip these in there. Yeah, I got new lugs and all that too, so. That's it, y'all. Got one in there, one down, 4 to go. The impact, boy, help everything. Alright, but look, y'all, as y'all can see, that's a prime example of why you try your stuff out. Now imagine if I would have just waited to the last minute and tried to do all this at the same time. Y'all seen the problems I done ran into. Imagine if I would try to do this stuff after the motor and transmission would have been put in. Huge delays. I'm talking about huge delays. I had to take stuff back. I found out stuff wrong. I had to fix stuff. And this what happens sometimes, man. You get wrong parts. Sometimes it's on you. Sometimes it's not on you or whatever. So you got to account for stuff like that. And I've been putting car together so long. I know you running stuff like that, Carl. That's all I've been thinking about, man. If I would have waited until the motor and transmission was in to do all the stuff I done did and the stuff Rick doing and all that, man, I would have had some major delays. Even with, like I said, I found something else out today that I'm have to go get something to correct it. So, you know, it is what it is, part of the game. It'll get done and all that, get straightened out. But we're gonna stay on that. Y'all stay tuned. Come on, there. Okay, y'all, so everything was going smooth. Y'all know when the line started out like that, you finna hear some BS. Everything was going smooth, and found out I got the wrong lugs too, man. They mix-matched some of my lugs. So they gave me some for a 7/16 stud, which I got half inch, but so we had some mix up. So I mean, I was supposed to have 20 enough for this car, but they would not worked anyway. So now I got to go back, cause 5 were wrong, and get them for the half inch stud. So that's a small, I mean, that wasn't nothing that'll stop an operation, but it just the point, like, still happened, like I said. So we got 4 right here. I gotta go take them back. That was at AutoZone, so I gotta go take them back or swap them out, get the right lugs, and then we're gonna be good to go. So y'all see we got everything in. He got all the new studs in. Had put a coat of clear over everything, and now, man, just got to pop the tie back on. And that's it, man. That's gonna be it for today. So I'm gonna check in with y'all. I'm gonna give y'all the update on what we're gonna have going on next. Alright, y'all, so I'm checking back in with y'all. Y'all see we done wrapped up. Got the tie back on Dolo. New studs in, new lugs, -1. I'm going back to the parts store tomorrow. So we're gonna get the right, they probably gonna have to order them or something, but I'm gonna get the right lugs, studs, all of that good stuff, man. So, the rotor, the bearings for the rotor, we're gonna get all of that, man. We're gonna get everything tightened up on this car. Then, like I said, I got Rick. He gonna come and do the door locks, and he gonna do the ignition switch. So I keep telling y'all, hit him up, man. I know y'all check out his channel too, and y'all see him doing everything. He did his whole car pretty much did everything. So, like I said, hit him up, man. Y'all see how he getting down. He did the brake, he did the back brakes for me. Y'all see he did the front stud. Y'all saw how fast he towed it down. Like I said, doing the ignition switch, locks, everything. So I'm just getting the chassis set up while it's here. So when we go back to Joe Buddy Racing, we set the motor in, we're gonna be good to go. All the problems be out the way and all of that, man. Won't have no hiccups and none of that stuff. So video coming doing the interior. At least, you know, putting a new carpet in and seats and all that. So y'all definitely want to stay tuned for that. So that's it, man, for today. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm out.